closed. It has not been a nice time for the Mid-Solar. Mines had closed, and many states and many businesses went to the new all-fangled Peel Godfrey line. Many of the engines found it common sense. Others just called it rubbish. But what about the 2 quarry engines? Let's find out. We'll have to give Aaron an overhaul to give him at least one good run. You're right. Aaron will have to be sent away to the works. Nothing too major. At least the coal bunker in the back. Like Li. That will do. Maybe it can attract some investors when we close. You're right. Aaron was sent away to the works to get a rebuild. Nothing too major, they said. Nothing too major. But Li was all alone at the place. Stanley, the pumping engine, was still at the mines, pumping as usual. Li was punished for breaking the police rule. He was just stuck on the siding, not allowed to go anywhere unless in an emergency, until Stanley started leaking. Help! Help! I'm leaking! The workmen didn't listen to Stanley, though they were too busy crushing rocks. But Stanley's voice echoed and echoed all the way over outside. Help me! I'm leaking! The workmen soon found out about what was going on. They needed help. Li was outside. Li, come on! What is it, driver? The pumping engine is breaking up. It's leaking water. Oh no, that can't be good. Right. Now let's go and rescue the workmen. And Li quickly coupled up to a truck and hurried in and raced in. The workmen all were yelling and screaming, "Help us! Help us! Please help me! Help me!" The workman soon climbed in. Li could not see his friend Stanley go. Driver, can we hurry and hook up Stanley? But now! And one of the workmen hooked up Stanley and they raced away. Chup, 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 chup. Everybody was outside. The police, all the fire department and medic were here. Silence was throughout heard until the 2 engines, the pumping engine, the truck, and Li raced out with all the workmen. Cheers were heard. Hooray! Hooray! And just that right on time, Aaron came and saw everything. Well done, Li! Well done, Li, said Stanley. Well done, Li, said the owner. But hard times came. After that, hard times came. The mine was closed. All the workmen left. And investors came. We'll take Li, but not Aaron. He's too old and out of date. Aaron was very not amused. Old? I'll have you know, I was the first engine here. I still have red daylight in me. Huh. You are just nothing but an old rust bucket. Well, a sad Li said his last words to Aaron. Goodbye. Maybe someday we'll all live together on our own railway. And Eli sadly chuffed away over to his new home in England. But would Aaron ever be found? Would Eli ever make it home to Sodor? And would Aaron ever and Eli reunite? Those are stories for another day.